What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation in Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation in Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off. Before I start the lesson, I want to let you know that on every Sunday, 8 a.m. Pacific time, I go live on Clubhouse. So if you want to join that live session, you can join our group on Clubhouse. The group name is Learn Punjabi Like a Native. Or you can follow me on the Clubhouse. I'll add you in that group. So if you want to join, then check out the links in the description. Now let's back to the topic. Today we are gonna learn Punjabi word kida, and we will also learn how we use it in slang. Kida basically mean is ant, bigger ant. The smaller ant is kidi. The bigger ant is kida. I don't know what you call in English if you have specific name for bigger ant. I don't know about that. But anyway, bigger ant means kida in Punjabi. If you thinking I'm talking about your aunt, your uncle's wife's aunt, no, I'm not that talking about that aunt. I am actually talking about insects, right? Insects, and the bigger ant, kida. So there are actually two slangs. One is kida, and second is kida kadna. So first take a look at the kida, right? We use this as slang, this word, when somebody is so immersed themselves in a particular thing. For example, it could be a nerd. Like for example, if somebody is so interested in technology, or for example, a mobile phones, right? If somebody is so mobile phone nerd, he always talking about mobile phones, and he was always using mobile phones, whatever, right? So it means in Punjabi we can say ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਫੋਨ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੀੜਾ ਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਫੋਨ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੀੜਾ ਗਾ it means he is a mobile phone nerd, like he always talking about it, or he is always using mobile phones. All right, in another example, if somebody is watching TV all the time, all day long, right? So he is a TV nerd. So in Punjabi we can say ਉਹਨੂੰ ਟੀਵੀ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੀੜਾ ਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਟੀਵੀ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੀੜਾ ਗਾ, right? So it means like he is always watching TV, he is a TV nerd. If somebody is always talking about like a wrestling, right? Wrestling, right? So we can say in Punjabi ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੁਸ਼ਤੀ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੀੜਾ ਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੁਸ਼ਤੀ ਦਾ ਬਾਹਲਾ ਕੀੜਾ ਗਾ, right? So it means he is a wrestling nerd, or you can say like he always talking about wrestling, so it's his favorite game, whatever, right? So that now let's move to another slang, kida kadna. So basically it means if somebody so interested in a particular thing, then maybe we will provide him so much about that thing, and so he can become a bored, right? So if I give you examples, for example, if somebody likes to watch TV all day long, and maybe you invite him like in your party, and you set up a TV for him, and you are giving him all kind of movies, and he is watching, and you can say ਅੱਜ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੀੜਾ ਕੱਢਣਾ ਹੀ ਆ ਅੱਜ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੀੜਾ ਕੱਢਣੀ ਆ it means today you will make him bored from that hobby what he do all the time, because you would provide him so much of that hobby or that thing he's doing, and at the end of the day he would got bored. If he got bored, it means like you ਤੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀੜਾ ਕੱਢਤਾ ਤੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀੜਾ ਕੱਢਤਾ, right? This means you did it, you made him bored. For example, in another case, maybe somebody who wants to wrestle with you, right? Or who want to fight with you as a boxing, not a real fighting. Maybe he want to do the boxing with you, and you are also ready. You want to beat his ass off. in the ring, right? Then you can say ਅੱਜ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੀੜਾ ਕੱਢਣਾਗਾ, right? So it means in the ring you're gonna beat him so much, so after that he won't talk about boxing, right? It's mean like you made him bored, like he won't talk about boxing anymore because he was so interested before. Now he know he's going to get beaten in that thing, and probably he won't do it again, or maybe he would do it if he would talk less about it. Maybe he would do boxing less. So now he is not that much interested anymore because ਤੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀੜਾ ਕੱਢਤਾ, right? So that's the meaning of kida kadana. So basically, kida in slang when we use when somebody is nerd about something, or somebody is so interested in that thing. Kida kadana means like when you made that person bored from that thing. All right. So sometimes you would see this slang in movies, maybe normal talking. So mostly young people use it, like under 40. So basically, it is very popular millennial slang. And the older people, I never heard older people use it, but younger people like in 20s or 30s, they use it a lot. At the end, I just want to say that Punjabi pronouns are very important in Punjabi language. I think this is the one of the core thing about the language, because pronouns and feminine and masculine words, they decide the sentence structure, like how you are going to end the sentence, right? The pronouns and masculine and feminine words decide that, and if you don't know that properly, maybe you are going to mess it up at the end. So this sounds so unnatural. So if you are struggling to understand Punjabi pronouns and you want to learn them, then you can check out my ebook on Patreon. So you can just join my Patreon on $2, and this is also a great way to support this podcast. Or if you can't join Patreon, then you can directly contact me if you want to get that ebook. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.